Hi guys, how you guys doing? Happy New Year! I know you guys are so surprised to see me. It's a great year, right? Yes, it's been long. I missed you guys so much. So much. I missed you guys. I know that a lot of you have been asking, where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? I'm sorry. I didn't keep to my promises, but I assure you, see this year is going to be different. I'm not going to be absent again this time around. So sorry for that. Thank you for coming back to my channel. How did you guys spend your Christmas, and how did you enjoy the Christmas and the New Year celebration? I hope very well. And how is the year going? I hope absolutely very well. Thank you so much. For those of you who are just coming for the first time, your girl here is Odinakachi, Rufina by name. I'm an Igbo girl from Enugu State, where I reside in Kwara State, Ilorin precisely. Thank you for coming. I don't have much to share now. I just said, let me tell you guys that I'm back. I am back, fully back. So I just want to share little estimate with you of a 4-bedroom bungalow. Yes, it's a bungalow. That is what I want to share with you, and I'm just going to brief you on that. And tomorrow we are coming back full time for this video. Please, before I continue this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what is happening? Please click on the subscription button. Follow your girl. You can also join me on my Instagram page at mclaire buildings, and TikTok as well. I'm also on TikTok, though I just joined. So you can also join me there at mclaire for we. That is what I answered there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So let's dive into the video, guys. Let's dive into the video. So as I said, that we are going to discuss about building of 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria, the cost of building it, because that is what I discuss here. For those of you who are just coming for the first time and you don't know what we are doing here yet, we are talking about cost of buildings in Nigeria. So we all know that before you think of building or putting up any building of your own, you must acquire land first. That is the first thing. I don't normally add that because I believe that everybody knows that. You know that before you can think of building, you must have your own place, your own land. So after acquiring land, what next is the drawing of the building, the plan, getting the plans of the building, the kind of building that you want, drawn by an architect. And after that, you talk about approving it by the local government, so that you will not have any issue with them, because if you don't go for approval, I'm sorry, they will disturb you, and they can even stop the work, the project, until you settle with them. And it's always very better. In short, it's the best way to go about it is making sure that your drawings is being approved, so that you won't have issues with them. I don't normally discuss on the cost, because that is left for the architect. They have different classes and types of architect here in Nigeria. There are some who will give you a drawing of for 80,000, as low as 80,000, 60,000, 100,000, 150, 300. Some will collect even 400 plus from you, though it depends on the kind of building you want to build. So that depends on the kind of building and also on your architect. So that is left for you. Then after the drawing, as I said earlier, is approval. Approval also doesn't have a fixed price. It depends on your local government and how it's being done in your area. And after that, what comes is now the main thing, the excavation of the building, Yes, before you can put up any building, you have to dig the foundation. We'll start from foundation. So that digging, in some places like eastern part of the country, excavation they cost per what is it called, per let me check my book again. They cost it per meter, yes, per meter. And it's normally I don't know if it's so everywhere, but the place where we have worked, it was 500 per meter. Like this building I'm discussing with you is 165 meters. So we are going to calculate 500 by 165. That is a lot of money just for excavating, digging of foundation. Why in some places they will just look at it and charge you. They might tell you pay 50,000 for digging of foundation and all that. But in the east, some eastern parts, let me say it's some, because I don't know if it's so everywhere. In some places down east, the cost per meter, which I've said 500 naira per meter. So even if you are going for 300 or 400 meters, it's okay by them, but they're going to multiply it by 500. So digging of foundation also costs a lot of money. And after that, what next is the casting of the foundation. That you will need some cement, some stones, some sand, water as well. I'm always talking about water. As you guys can see, I'm presently in my shop. I deal with plumbing materials, and I'll always advise that you should get your water tank, pumping machine and everything from us. It will really please me if you call me for that. So you should always make water available before starting anything in your site, because water is the number one of it. Yes, it's the number one of it. You should always get it ready to avoid issues. Without water, you cannot do anything. It's just that digging that can be done without water while building, because when you want to cast, water will be there. When you want to put up blocks, shocking of it, you must mix with water. Everything has to do with water. So make water available before starting it up. So after casting of the foundation, in short, I am going to give you the quantity of materials you will be needing for a building like this, for your foundation, from foundation to DPC level. That is what I'm going to give you here. You'll be needing like 2,000 blocks from foundation to DPC level. Please, from foundation to DPC, get it right, because most of you are always asking me, you said 2,000 blocks and they ended up this. Please listen to what I'm saying. From foundation to DPC level, you'll be needing like 2,000 blocks. Like in this building, we use the 6 inches for foundation and 9 inches as well. We use more of 6 inches for this. We use like 1,406 inches and 609 inches for this, and we use like 153 bags of cement. Actually, what I calculated here is 160, because it might not use exactly the same quantity of cement that we use. Remember that sometimes the quantity of material used for building depends on the place, the land, the soil. Yeah, it depends on the soil, the type of land where you are building. That also counts. So that is why sometimes you spend more in your own than what others have spent, or what I'm telling you we spent here. So we use 153, but I calculated 160, so that no matter what may be the case, you are not going to exceed 160. That is why I did that. Cement presently, Dangote is sold at the rate of some places. I think in Enugu, the last year December, we bought 4,350 in Enugu, while in Owerri we bought 4,003. Then down my village, the one I did in my in Soka, we bought 4,500. But down here they are selling 4,300. The prices are not always the same, but the differences are not always much as well. So let's just put it to be 4,500. No matter where you're buying from, 4,500 is okay for cement. Why Bua? Bua is always like 200 or 100 different from Dangote. You know, I'm always saying it that Bua, Dangote is okay, it's very much okay, but Bua, when you, especially when you use it for plastering, it gives you the result that you need. You know, it's more neat for plastering. It's better anyway. Maybe that is why it's more costly, though it's just 100 naira or 200 naira. Then you'll be needing like 5 trips of sand, 30 tons of chipping. Chipping we bought at the rate of 35,000 naira, just 30 tons. There is a place, was it Asaba? We bought 27,000. So it depends on your place. Here in Ilorin, it's not even up to that. Ilorin is 20-something thousand naira. We have Kwara very close to us here. So all those things, you know, sometimes they count the distance. I mean to say, the time is going to take them, the diesel they are going to spend and use, and all that. That also makes up the prices because they charge together with the transportation. So we'll be using also some boards, that is woods. We'll be using some boards for this, and at this stage I'll be using like 5 trips of local stones. We use like 5 trips of local stones as well. Some length, 20 lengths of 12 rod, 10 lengths of 16 rods, and 6 rods, then binding wire. As we all know, the binding wire must always be there because that is what they use for the rod. So, and then that stage we got 2,600 naira, 2,630,something thousand naira. That is 2 million. I said 6 million or 2 million. 2 points, not 6. I don't know if it's 6. I said initial. It's 2,635,000 naira. 2,635,000 naira. That is what we used here. Just as I've been saying, the prices are always the same. In Ilorin here, we are blessed here. Things are cheaper. Planks are cheaper. Like the one they are selling 1,500 down east is here 1,000, even 900 you can get it. But it's 1,500 down east. That is money for you. Cement is cheaper here. That is another. Even if it's 100 naira, it's money. That is another money for you. Stone is cheaper here. Is another money. So if it's in Ilorin here, we are not spending up to 2.5. I'm sure of that. It will not be even up to 2.3. So that is how it is. And remember, the type of soil matters a lot. It matters a lot because I know that there are some places you will go for this, you won't spend. And remember, I added up the money. This 2.6 I am calling is together with the money for drawing, the money for approval, and all that. That is the one I am mentioning, except the money for the land, because I don't know how much they bought the land, so I'm not going to give you the price for that. So that is what I'm giving you the price for, the cost for, from foundation to DPC level. Foundation to DPC level, please get that. So this is what we spent from foundation to DPC level. I don't know if I should continue or I should just end it here. Just as I said, I didn't really want to make video today. I just wanted to say I've been in the village all this while. For those of you who try sending me messages or chatting me up on WhatsApp or calling and you didn't get me, or maybe I didn't reply, please, I've been in the village all this while, cruising, enjoying my life, because it's not easy to see a new year. And it's quite unfortunate in my village. Network is somehow disappointing, so I wasn't able to reply and all that, but I'm back now. I'll reply to your chat, I'll reply to your messages and all that. Thank you so much. Let me stop here. I'm going to upload another video tomorrow, full video for that, so that you can know the cost, present cost, because prices have changed seriously. But even as that, God is still there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join me on my Instagram page, mclair buildings, and also on my TikTok. Join me there. You are going to be seeing some funny videos of your girl. You know, I plays a lot. I play a lot. In short, if not because of this African man that I got married to. Wait for that story. See you guys. Love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.